This 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2326BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 26 feet 8 inches in length. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear dinette, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.